In this video, I'm going to show you how you can apply or add text overlay on your videos in Shotcut. My name is Isaac and this is a minute with AI. So the first thing you need to do is to have your clip added on your timeline, and my video clip is here. So to add or apply text overlay, there are two methods you can use. First, identify the place where you want to add the text. For instance, I just want to add the text on a section of this clip, maybe from here to here. So to do so, just go ahead and tap on filters. Then from here, tap on the plus, then look for text. And as you can see, we have two types of text. We have text rich and text simple. So I'll just go ahead and tap on text simple. And as you can see, we can now begin editing our text. To add your text, just use the text box here under the presets. And if I delete this, I can add anything that I want. For instance, tired. To resize your text, just head over to the edge of the four corners. And as you can see the double-edged arrows. So this can help you to resize your text to the size that you want. And here we go. You can also move your text by just using this, and you can move it anywhere. So if you want to move it up here, you can as well do so. In case maybe you are not okay with this color, you can go ahead and change the font color here. So if you open this, it will go ahead and open, and now you can switch this to any color. And then when you tap on OK, you can see the color is applied. And if you play, you can see only that clip that you selected has the text. So that is the first method. Now in the second method, identify the clip that you want to add or to overlay the text. For instance, we want to overlay the text here on this last clip. And now go to this option called Open Other. And you can see we have an option called Text. So if I tap on it, we can now go ahead and enter our text here. I will still enter the same text. And you can go ahead and automatically add this overlay on another timeline. So if we add to timeline, it will go ahead and add a timeline. But first you have to make sure that your background color is set to transparent. And then go ahead and tap on this add to timeline. And this will go ahead and create another timeline. And now our text has been added to our clip. So you can go ahead and move this at any place you want on your video clip. Now again, you can also move this to any part of your clip. So if you want it to be here, you can move it there. If you want to duplicate it, you can duplicate it. If you want to cover the whole clip, you can as well. Just drag it to the edge of the clip and it will cover the whole video clip. So that's how you overlay text in Shotcut. If this video was helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thank you for watching, and let's meet in the next video.